All right, good morning. Today is Monday, and I gotta go move my cows, and it is raining cats and dogs out here. It's actually my own fault because I woke up about an hour ago, and I thought to myself, I'm just gonna take it slow today. I'm gonna enjoy a nice cup of broth before I go out there, and this is what happens. So yeah, I figured I might as well record it and bring you along with me. We had a really nice string of weather last week. We had like 5 solid sunny days in a row, and yeah, the rain is good though. The rain is good, so we need it. We need to break down, all the cow pies out there to help regenerate the soil, get those nutrients in the ground. So, all right, here we go. What are you doing this morning? Ask yourself that. Are you getting after it? Are you getting out of bed? What motivates you to get out of bed? I've been thinking about that question, and it is not so much that I'm motivated. There's things that just need to get done, man. There are things that just need to get done, and these animals, I would say, motivate me. They need food just as much as I do. So God made these animals, and they are now under my stewardship, for better or for worse. There they are, Lola and Pablo. I do feel bad. I wonder what they feel like when they're in the rain like this. Maybe I'm not her favorite person right now because I'm late, and I take responsibility for that. So we're gonna try to do this as fast as we can. I'm by myself this morning. Last time I did it by myself, I just ran into some roadblocks. But here we go. All right. Last thing is the chickens. Gotta move the chickens. Oh gosh. Moving the cows. What's the hardest thing you've ever gone through physically? Think about that. And did it make other things seem easier? I think people need to learn how to suffer. People need to learn how to suffer. We live in a world where all our material needs and comforts are met, sometimes with the push of a button. We don't know how to suffer, man. That's both good and bad, You don't want to suffer needlessly. But when it comes, it's good to know how. Make yourself uncomfortable. Be cold. Do a workout that will literally just make you uncomfortable walking for like the next 2 weeks. Run some stairs. Do an hour on the Stairmaster. Do something. Do something that sucks. Embrace the suck. This is awesome. I can't believe I get to do this for free. Sometimes my ears get hot. You just gotta take the hat off. Alright. This is a cowboy workout right here. Last thing we gotta do is check on the baby chicks and go inside and drink some coffee. And this grass is already getting so tall. So now we gotta go inside, sit, get my agenda out, plan the rest of the day. Got lots to do. So. Hey chickies! I'll just let you guys eat out of that like that. Sometimes they just need like 5 minutes to just go to town on this food, and then I give them more in like 5 minutes. They're usually pretty hungry at the end of the night. But some news is we went ahead and ordered our Cornishes for our meat birds, and we ordered 60. I think that's a good start. So we'll probably butcher or slaughter those June. They say after 8 weeks they're ready. And these are all our egg layers. Oh my gosh. I need to weigh those eggs that I forgot out there. So, yep. Got meat birds coming, hopefully this week. My goal is to build them a meat shaw so I can move them around the pasture as well. But it's going to go quick. 8 weeks is fast, so yeah, we're going to have some good chicken. All right, I'm going to get those eggs, and in the meantime, they'll keep eating, and then they'll be ready for more. They'll be ready for more after I go get those eggs. All right, how many do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this one looks cracked. Hopefully it's still good. I'll give them a good wash, and this is breakfast. 4 eggs. That's pretty good. Man, I can't wait till we're just getting like 30 a day. That's going to be insane. We're going to hopefully be able to sell some eggs, give some away to our friends and family. I can't wait for that.